Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I'm excited to release MynaUI icons. It's a collection of icons that I made. It has both line icons and filled in ones, which is regular and solid over here, and it has like thousands of icons. You can just go in and look at everything. And if you want more, you can request icons. If you are missing something, you can request icons. And for installing them in your developer project, you can use Chassis and UI to install them. You can just add this icon pack, or if we have a separate React package, we have Iconify package, which is wrapper of all the icon set. So these are all, we have some amazing icons over here, and we have MynaUI icons also, and we have Figma file. So for designers, you can just open this Figma file and you have everything, all the icons. It's regularly updated and everything. And icon font, raycast, even raycast extension. So this has a collection of icons over here which you can open in raycast. And we have SVG sprites, Figma plugin. So Figma file is just a file of all the icons, but we also have Figma plugin which you can open with any Figma file and just insert icons into your components. And documentation for installing and download. So download, you can just go to the downloads page and download everything, all the SVG icons over here. And we have the installation. So you can use it in HTML projects, React projects, everything which is supported. And that's basically it. You can come in here, search for things. It's by Algolia. It's very fast, and it has some AI capabilities also, I think. So it's very fast, and it usually gets you what you want. And that's it. So I'll leave the link down below. Go check it out, and let me know if you need any more icons. You can request icons, and check out MynaUI as well. So MynaUI icons is fully free. You can use it anywhere, any project you have, you can use it anywhere. And we have MynaUI icons, which is mostly free, like 99% of the components are free here. And yeah, even once you signed in to MynaUI, you can request components and request icons over here. So yeah, that's it. Try it out. Let me know how it is. Let me know if you want more icons. Bye bye.